New COVID-19 infections are ticking up nationwide as a more contagious virus strain takes root, ending months of steadily declining case counts, but several states have still managed to keep the coronavirus largely at bay, partly due to soaring vaccination rates. 37.4. That's how many new COVID-19 infections per 100,000 people were reported nationwide in the week ending Saturday, up from 28.7 a week ago. In total, the United States averaged 17,736 new cases per day this week, a steep drop-off from over 250,000 in January. The country's growing case counts are partly due to severe spikes in a few hard-hit areas. Missouri reported 165.4 new cases per 100,000 people in 7 days, a nearly 70% jump since last week, and Arkansas had 161.7 infections per 100,000 people, up almost 50% in 1 week. Both states have lower than average vaccination rates. Arkansas has given at least one vaccine shot to just 42.8% of its residents, and Missouri's partial vaccination rate is 45.8%. Some states with low case counts also reported small spikes this week. Massachusetts averaged a total of 98 new cases per day over the last week, up from 65 1 week prior, and New York's daily average jumped from 156 cases to 184 over the same period. Still, their daily infection rates are well below the national average. As vaccinations sped up across the United States in the spring, coronavirus infections plummeted to their lowest levels in more than a year. But the pace of inoculations has slowed down since April, and millions of Americans say they don't plan on ever getting the shot, leaving some undervaccinated cities and states vulnerable to COVID-19 spikes. Adding to this risk, the highly contagious Delta virus variant is now dominant in the United States, and health experts have blamed the new strain for outbreaks in places like Missouri. It's almost like it's going to be two Americas, Dr. Anthony Fauci told CNN last week. You clearly have a high risk of seeing these spikes in those undervaccinated areas.